everyone. So this is a video that I'm doing today. This is something that I had to get done today because there was just no stopping it. If you can see what I'm standing in front of, which is my refrigerator. I have to clean out this refrigerator. So I wanted to bring you all along with me until I get everything organized. I have to order some things off of Amazon, but that just has to wait because it needs to be cleaned out now. So YouTubers, y'all come along with me as I begin to go ahead and clean out this refrigerator. Now I'm gonna show you all the refrigerator. So just bear with me because it is junky. Well, that's what it's all about. It's a cleaning video. So it's not gonna, I'm not gonna bring you something that is clean and say I need to clean it out. But I need to bring you something that really needs to be cleaned out, okay? So we're gonna actually do this refrigerator. This is the first side of it, y'all, and I'm gonna give y'all a better view. As you can see, I put my vegetables here, and then I'll put my fruits over here, and we need to adjust our slides to say so, okay? So over here, I've got it slidden over, my knob slidden over on vegetables, and then here, I have my lemons, so because this is fruit, we're going to make sure that we have it slid over on fruit, okay? There is couple of bags in here, but I'm not throwing, I'm picking out all of the good ones, y'all, and putting them in here. Food is so expensive now. I don't have food to throw away. So I've got that done. These are no good. They really aren't. Okay. So we have our cream cheese. If anybody knows me, they know that I will cook. And this one says October 15th. October. So what I'm gonna do to make sure that these do not spoil before the time frame is I'm gonna stick them here in the freezer part. and I really don't have room here, but we're not going to tackle this today. We're just going to stay up to the top, y'all. Stay up to the top, because I'm not tackling that today. It's just too much. Okay, so y'all, this is the finished product. As you can see, my doorway is cleaned out. It has some things in it, but it's not overstacked. This one over here was just overstacked, and so I had to change some things around here. I probably could do better with stacking this, and I probably am gonna do that. We're gonna put all of our bottles that are about the same size over here, and you're gonna see me adjust that in a few minutes. This is what I was talking about, of how you move the little latch here. You can slide it or put it back. One side is for fruits and one side says vegetables. If you can see, I have my apples and my oranges in there. That's my chicken and fish I'm getting ready to cook. This is all of my vegetables, all of my some fruits. I have some grapes here. This back here is containers where we cook things and we're gonna eat them. So it's leftovers that we keep in our refrigerator. These are our eggs, some water, our water tray here. When we need water, our butters are up here. Normally all of my whipped cream, sour cream, chicken broth, milks, all of that goes on that shelf. And you can see here, again, my meat tray. Everything is in my meat tray. It's a Glidden server. You just slide it out and make sure that it is selected, the deli is selected on there, okay? Now, you all, I'm gonna show you all something, and that's why I didn't get started with this part. As you can see, this is the bottom of my freezer, and I have all kind of stuff packed in here. I got chicken, and so I still have to organize this. I haven't did this yet, but I will be doing it. As you can see, the other pot is just stuffed and packed. I even have frozen bananas for our smoothies, everything. Turkey meat, frozen turkey meat. If I know I'm not gonna eat something right now, I'll stick it in the freezer and take it out when I want it, okay? This is pretty much it. It's a clean refrigerator. Okay, y'all. Talk with y'all soon. Bye.